Hi, this is Maria. I'm going to show you how I made this daily spread using the Big Natural DigiBujo 2019 by Gollan Designs. This is a bunch of stickers and one font, and it's very easy to do. Let's get started. This is Goodnotes5, and I'm going to click the three dots up here at the top and clear the page. So we start with a clean slate. So let's work side by side here. I'm going to drag it from the bottom and put my photos on the side. I'm going to find my albums and find my planners. Now you could also use this little icon here to find your photos this way, or insert from and browse, and you can find wherever your PNG files are anywhere else on your iPad. I like to work side by side, I just find it easier. So I'm going to grab an image that is actually this one. It's actually an iWatch wallpaper. It's called Coral Reef. I'm going to drag it over and just size it to fit inside my journal. Just like that. It's not meant to go in a journal, but you know what? It's a PNG file, and I'm gonna make it work where I want it to work. This one is also one of those for the watch. This one and this one. I have a couple in here, but since that's what I choose to use, that's what I'm going to use. Tap and crop. Just get what I want out of the image, and I want that somewhere over there. Let's go to shapes, and I want to make sure that my fill color is on so that I can outline this a little bit. It will straighten my lines for me. Okay, and then I'm going to take my lasso and move it. Otherwise I have a green film over top of my image, and then I'm going to long press. Let's see, now I'm going to make sure my lasso tool is on for images, cut and paste it over top of that green. So now the green is in the background and the M is at the top. Lasso all of it together and move it all. Okay, that way I get a nice little outline there. It's just a detail, I happen to like it there. Now I'm going to find a daily that I like. This was a daily pack. They came a bunch together. And if I can find it right here. This one is a pack. They came together. I want this one so that I can fill in the colors as I choose. And we'll just size that to fit. I need to make sure I have room at the top and at the bottom to accommodate some washi that I want to incorporate. I can always adjust the sizing later. So what I want to copy is this image here, so I need to go to lasso and make sure my images is turned on. It is. Lasso, copy, touch and paste, and I'm going to touch, I'm going to drop it, then I'm going to touch, edit, touch, crop, and I'm going to make some washi from the sticker that I have on the other side, and just size it to fit. Okay. So I'm just using this image over here to cut it out. I'm going to do that again, long press and paste, the same image, drop it, long press, edit, tap and crop, and we'll do the same for the bottom. And now I have matching washi. Size it to fit, drop, and then I can adjust this one as I need to fit inside of where my washi is. Drop that into place. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is go to my text tool, pick a pretty color. I like this, just one of the standard purples. I'm going to pick Font Beautiful that I've already preloaded, and I happen to like size 30, but you pick whatever size font that you want. And I'm going to just double tap and start typing. Okay, now you move your images from here, or you can use your lasso, turn off images, and make sure this one is on, and then you can move it this way. Just turn off the images so you don't move the sticker behind it. Now if you change your mind, you can also change the color from here, and you can resize your text from here if you really wanted to. So I'm going to go back to text and keep typing. See how sometimes it doesn't want to move? I'm going to just use my lasso instead to place it where I want it. Okay, back to text, double tap, lasso, put it where I want it. Text, double tap, lasso, text, double tap, and lasso one more time. Oops. I'm going to go to my highlighter, pick a blue that kind of matches what I have in here. I've already got it selected there. And just fill in my colors. I like this clear one, this clear daily, because I can color match whatever is in my scheme for the day. Okay, go to a pretty pink, select the day of the week, back to text, and we'll put in the date. And again with the lasso to put it within the space. And one more minor adjustment because it's bugging me. Tap and edit. And we're just going to make this line up with the other side a little better. There you have it. Thanks for watching.